In Kendall, patio doors do more than provide access to your backyard or patio. They let in natural light, connect indoor and outdoor living spaces, and help protect your home from heat, humidity, and storm conditions. But like any part of your home, patio doors don't last forever. Over time, wear and tear can reduce their performance, security, and efficiency. If you're unsure whether it's time for an upgrade, here are the key signs that your patio doors may need to be replaced. Difficulty opening or closing patio doors, especially sliding glass doors, should operate smoothly. If your door sticks, drags, or requires excessive force to open and close, it could indicate warped frames from humidity-damaged rollers or tracks. Structural shifting alignment issues. In Kendall's warm, humid climate, prolonged exposure to moisture can cause materials to swell or deteriorate. If repairs no longer solve the problem, replacement may be the better long-term solution. Noticeable drafts or air leaks. If you feel warm air entering your home even when the patio door is closed, your door may no longer be sealing properly. Worn weather stripping and compromised seals can allow hot outdoor air to seep inside cool air from your AC to escape increased humidity levels indoors. In Kendall, where air conditioning runs much of the year, poor sealing can significantly increase energy bills. Modern patio doors feature tight compression seals and insulated frames that reduce air leakage and improve comfort. Rising energy bills. Have you noticed your cooling costs creeping up? Outdated patio doors with single-pane glass or deteriorating seals can contribute to energy loss. New energy-efficient patio doors offer double or triple pane insulated glass low-E coatings to reflect solar heat. Argon gas fills between panes. These features help block heat gain and reduce strain on your HVAC system, a major benefit in Kendall's hot climate. Condensation between glass panes. If you see fogging or moisture trapped between the glass panes, the seal has likely failed. This indicates that the insulating gas has escaped and the unit is no longer performing efficiently. Condensation inside the glass cannot typically be repaired. It requires replacing the glass unit or the entire door. Visible damage or deterioration. Physical damage is a clear sign it may be time for replacement. Look for cracked or chipped glass, warped or rotting frames, rusting hardware, peeling finishes. In Kendall's coastal-influenced environment, salt air and humidity can accelerate wear. Upgrading to fiberglass, vinyl, or corrosion-resistant materials can improve durability. Reduced security. Older patio doors may lack modern security features. If your door has a basic lock or feels loose when closed, your home may be more vulnerable than you think. Today's patio doors can include multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, anti-lift sliding mechanisms. For Kendall homeowners, especially during storm season, enhanced security is a valuable upgrade. Water intrusion. During storms, heavy rain and high winds can reveal weaknesses in aging patio doors. If you notice water pooling near the threshold or damp spots around the frame, your door may no longer provide proper protection. New patio doors are built with advanced weather barriers and drainage systems designed to withstand strong storms and humidity. Outdated appearance. Sometimes the need for replacement isn't just functional, it's aesthetic. If your patio doors look outdated, faded, or no longer match your home's style, upgrading can significantly enhance curb appeal. Modern designs offer slimmer frames, larger glass panels, and customizable finishes that brighten your interior while modernizing your exterior. A smart upgrade for Kendall Homes patio doors play a major role in your home's comfort, security, and energy efficiency. If you're experiencing operational issues, rising energy bills, drafts, or visible wear, it may be time to consider replacement. In Kendall's warm, storm-prone climate, investing in modern, energy-efficient patio doors provides lasting benefits, from lower cooling costs to improved protection and smoother everyday use. Upgrading your patio doors isn't just about replacing an old feature, it's about enhancing your home's performance, safety, and style for years to come.